Jobs, jobs, jobs. Ad nauseum, the surefire cure-all pill to nearly all of the country's economic woes and government's headaches. And the Department of Labor and Employment has made some headway toward getting people to work and at decent paying rates, care of multifarious skills and upskilling programs and job fairs, which our Bienveni Manalo enumerates in this DOLE year-end report.
Sa DOLE at sa DSWD, ipagpatuloy pa ninyo ang mga ganitong klaseng internship at pre-employment program para sa ating estudyante sa kolehiyo. Malaking tulong ito sa kanila habang sila ay nag-aaral. Malaking tulong ito sa bansa.
That is the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. in his fourth State of the Nation address. The Department of Labor and Employment is trying to further improve programs designed to provide more opportunities to Filipinos in accordance with the Trabaho para sa Bayan Plan 2025 to 2034. More than 2,000 job fairs have been conceived and conducted by DOLE throughout the Philippines, which over 500,000 applicants attended and more than 70,000 were hired on the spot. More than 100,000 students are benefiting from the special program for employment of students. DOLE allocated more than 2 billion pesos for the government internship program, from which more than 70,000 students receive help. The JobStart Philippines program has helped more than 4,000 job seekers. DOLE has allocated almost 4 million pesos to provide economic assistance, scholarship, skills training, and job placement assistance to more than 300 individuals. The DOLE said although more than 600,000 employees lost their jobs in nearly 20,000 establishments, most of them were Philippine Offshore Gaming Operations Hub or POGOs, the government totally shut down at the beginning of this year. The recorded employment rate in September 2025 is 1.3% higher than the pre-pandemic levels. The reported unemployment rate has decreased this year compared to 2019. In total, nearly 50 million Filipinos have had work this year, 400,000 more than in 2024. One last point, more than 2 million job seekers have found work care of PESO in various parts of the Philippines.
Ang aking tinutukoy ay yung katagang convergence, no? Pagsasama-sama, pagtatagpo, pagkakaisa, at pagsasanib ng pwersa ng mga departamento. Dahil halos lahat naman ng mga departamento ay mayroong kaugnayan sa usapin ng paggawa at panghanapbuhay.
Just recently, the President issued Executive Order Number 97 or the Omnibus Guidelines on the Exercise of Freedom of Association and Civil Liberties. It is aimed to strengthen the right of every workers to freely join unions and enhance freedom of association. The DOLE and the Commission on Human Rights also signed an agreement on the implementation of a labor intervention, financial and economic or life assistance program that will help employees and their families who are victims of labor rights violations. More than 6,000 union members and officers received specialized training, while more than 300 individuals were awarded scholarship grants under the WODP. Today, there are more than 1,000 existing collective bargaining agreements covering more than 300,000 workers. This is 8.7% higher than the CBA registration in the third part of the 2024. The manufacturing industry leads in union activity with almost 10,000 unions with over 800,000 members. They also have the highest CBA.
Sa isang bagong Pilipinas, paglilingkod at serbisyong maayos, matapat, mabilis, walang bahid at inklusibo, maasahan ng mamamayang Pilipino mula sa kagawaran ng paggawa at empleyo.
DOLE recently released Labor Advisory No. 15 Series of 2025 promoting labor management preparedness and reminding employers of their obligations to employees during the disasters. This is also part of the Intensified Labor Inspection Program. The agency has allocated over 2 billion pesos in funds for this, and over 800,000 workers throughout the country have been assisted. Based on the DOLE status, there has also been an increase in general labor standard compliance, as well as occupational safety and health standard abidance. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.